with a different topic. It's about inherited traits. I'm gonna give you a bag of parents and offspring papers. Well, if they're images that we're gonna have to match together, that I want you to work as a group, and we're gonna have 3 minutes to do it, 3 to 5 minutes. So once the whole table gets it, get around. You can open the bag and work with them. En otras palabras, ya pueden empezar a abrirlas y trabajar con ellos. As a group, I want you to work with together. Come close together. If you're far away, come close together. Share within your partner so everybody has a job to do.
Parent. Parent.
Okay. Let me borrow one of these. You ready, class? Okay. Okay. Year 5. Okay. Table 1. Ready? Okay. Year 5. Year 5. Okay. The whole purpose of this lesson will be about learning how we can inherit traits. We can actually learn them, and it can be passed from one generation to the other generation. The purpose of this activity was for us to figure out what we know about inherited traits. Meaning that if we see a rooster or a chicken, we know that the little chicks are the offsprings of the chickens. It goes throughout the activity. We got different animals such as horses, zebras, and kangaroos. The zebras inherited their traits from the mother. Who can tell me what is it that the zebras could inherit from a parent?
The color?
Color? What color does the zebra have?
White and black.
White and black. Stripes. Stripes are the same. So that's one of the characteristics that a zebra could inherit from a parent. Okay, so today we're talking about inherited and traits. So the first definition, I want you to get out your journals, reading science journals. Now, when you're ready, or thumbs up when ready. What is one of okay? Ready? What are one of the first things that we do in science? First things we do. We title, but talking about physical, which means safety rules. What is one of the safety rules we need to do for science?
Sit quietly.
Sit quietly.
If something breaks,
Tell the teacher if something breaks. Anything? Be respectful. Responsible, okay? Whenever we're working with chemicals, what's the first thing we gotta use for the eyes? Goggles. Aprons. What about if we're working with weighting stuff? What can we use? Okay, with the balance, what kind of balance? Okay, there's weighting. There's it starts with a triple. We can use the resources. Triple beam balance. Okay, so today I'm gonna give you a few definitions about traits and how you can inherit them. The first one will be a trait. A trait is an internal or external characteristic of a feature or features, meaning that if we see a crab, what do we first see on a crab? It has a shell. It has those snapping hands. Okay, somebody tries to get it, the first thing it'll snap on you. Okay? So write the word trait and its definition. Thumbs up when you're ready. Our next word will be inherited, which means that inherited is passed from one parent to offspring during reproduction. As we can see, this is the mama zebra and this is the baby zebra, meaning that the stripes of the zebras are always inherited. Thumbs up when you're ready. Thumbs up when ready. Our next word is offspring. Is a child or offspring from a parent. Our next word is one of the basic words that we need to know because one's traits can be inherited or learned. What do I mean by learn? Who can tell me what does the actual word mean? Learn means the word learn. Okay, when we come to school, what do we come to do?
Need to
Learn.
learn.
Okay, what is learning?
Like learning something about like you learn something new.
When we understand and learn something new. Therefore, learned behavior is changes made by an organism in response to its environment. For those that are finished a little bit early, tell me what do you see in the picture?
A
No.
dog.
Just think about it, and once our partners or peers are finished, we'll discuss it. Think about the answer. Table 2, are you ready? Okay. Table 1, are you ready? Okay. Table 2. Why do we have a dog that's in a learning behavior?
Maybe because it teaches them something.
Okay, teaching them something.
Something new, training.
Okay, there's pose.
So
Because
he cannot get where he
he's running.
for his behavior to learn to stay in. He's learning how to play.
No, play.
He learned how that don't go to the other side of the property and other
Okay. Not particularly. Have you seen shows of dogs that are trained how to run across fields and dog shows or police dogs where they're trained to do something? They're learning a new behavior that they are not inherited with. A dog can be inherited with the color, his hair, and his way of looking. But a learned behavior is him, the dog, learning how to do a certain training. Okay? So right now, we are gonna watch. It's gonna be a small vocabulary game that we did, and that was like one person per group. We will choose. We're gonna answer the question or vocabulary where we have given on the smart board, and one member of each team is gonna pass to the front and choose an answer that the whole team has selected. Okay? Okay. So as we can see, it says pick the best definition for the following term. Okay, adaptation. What does the first word mean? If we cover the other part, the last 3 parts,
Or like that.
turn this one off and turn on that other one.
That.
Adapt. Okay? Adapt is the act of making something new. That's the whole group. Adapt. Okay? Lifespan of an organism, that's more like generation. Or pass from one parent to offspring during reproduction? No. Okay, is it any characteristics that help the plant or animal survive? Thumbs up for yes and thumbs up for thumbs down for no. Okay, thumbs up. Those that are for thumbs up.
Which one?
For any characteristics that helps a plant animal survive. Okay. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Okay. Okay. Thumbs down for no. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3. So in this case, the democracy wins, meaning that the majority wins. So we're gonna choose. Okay. Offspring. Okay. Table number 1. Talk within your group and tell me, come up with the best definition for offspring. Okay. All the tables can actually think about it, but table 1 would choose the answer on the board. Choose one person from your team to go. Do it. They can vote on it. Alright, we got one. Alright. Generation. Okay. If we see generation, it starts from small all the way to starts whenever you're a baby, it goes up as you're a not technically like a caveman, but if you remember when you were little, when you were born, how big were you? Small. And then whenever the year passed on, you grew. And then as the years go on by, you get older and bigger. That is called a generation. Yes, eventually like me. So, the definition for generation. Is it the child or offshoot from a parent? What is that?
That's offspring.
Offspring. Okay. The act of making something new.
No.
Okay. Lifespan of an organism. Lifespan. Think about the word lifespan. Life. What's life? Lifespan is as the years go on, you keep on growing.
You have something done and the generation it gets bigger.
Okay. A generation always also in outside of school life is your dad, your parents and my parents are one generation. Me and you are another generation. Meaning that as the years go on by, different children or offspring are going to be growing, and parents are going to become a different generation. So, out of 1, 2, 3, or 4, which is the best answer?
3.
Numbers. By using your fingers, tell me which number you want me to choose. Which definition? 3. Okay.
Correct.
Reproduction. What is reproduction?
Come on.
Look at the first word. Reproduce. Okay, we used to do again, but it's also as in.
Like you need to never use it again.
Okay. There's different meaning for reusing, but in this case, okay, Is the lifespan of an organism?
No, that's in
Generation. Okay. Changes made by an organism in response to its environment? Not sure. Okay. And internal or external characteristics or feature? We have that one in our journals. Is it an internal or external characteristics or features?
No.
Or is it the act of making something new?
No.
Reproduce.
Yes.
Okay. Using your fingers. 1, 2, 3, or 4? 2. Okay. Table number 3. What is the definition for learned behavior? Talk within your group and look for a definition. Tables 2 and 3, 2 and 1. Wait up until they get. Talk within your group and tell them why you choose that as a definition. Seconds. Okay. One member of your group go and choose the answer. It's in our journals. It's in our journals. Okay. You want our classmates to help us out? Okay. Come on, Mr. Diaz.
Junior.
Come on, Mr. Diaz. Hey, classroom. We can help out afterwards. Okay. All right, classroom. So learn behaviors. Okay. Table 1. What is it? Are you sure?
Yes.
Table 2.
Yes.
1 or 2 or 3?
1.
1? Are you sure?
Yes. Yes.
Correct. All right. Table 2. What is trait? Wait. Let table 2 choose. Okay. One member of the group. Choose which one. All right.
It's easy.
All right. Classroom. Last one we're gonna do together. What is an inherited trait? An internal or external characteristics or feature? The act of making something new, passed from parent to offspring during reproduction,
Yes.
or changes made by an organism in response to its environment. Third?
Yes.
Third, right?
Yes.
Are we sure?
Yes.
All right.
Try again.
All right. Your turn, Alexis. Okay. Now that we have went through the definitions, we're all gonna give a little package. It has offsprings, inherited traits, characteristics, and there's one extra vocabulary word in here. Similar.
When you somebody.
When it's something same to something else. Okay, okay. There's one similarity between me and Jose. What do you think it is? Diaz. That's the similarity. Okay? Okay, just get one and pass it to one member of your group. Okay. Each member of your group. Okay. Just don't open them yet. Just get one and pass it to your partner. This assignment will be first individually. Ready? Thumbs up when you have one. Group number 2. Table 2. They're all the same. They're all the same. But I want you to want every single one of you to work alone. This first activity is to work alone. We have 7 to 10 minutes to work it out. Then, if we have a little bit of problem, just raise your hand or your thumb up, and have first your partner help you out, and then you can call me. We understood it? Okay. Start. They're not in order. So you gotta spread them out and sort them out. They're not in order. You gotta put. There's a picture, vocabulary, and a definition. Match them all 3 together. Go with the correspondence card. Okay. Give 5. Give 5. Okay. Here's I'm gonna give you one example. So learned behavior. So we have our flashcard, which is learned. Can you turn on the first light, please? Okay, so we have learned behavior. We have the definition. We have the word. So we're gonna go through our little vocabulary, our little cards, and look for the correct definition. So it's behavior an organism learns throughout its environment, a behavior that is taught or obtained from experience. Then we look for the picture, as we see a man or a student is not born with the ability to play football. Therefore, he learns that ability. Therefore, it makes it a learned behavior to play football. Are we clear on that?
Yes.
So you know that a picture has the same meaning as the definition and the word, right? Okay. So begin. Remember, we can use our journals to get the ideas of vocabulary words. It does not have to be out of the top of your head.